Hello, I'm Dr. David Yates, and I want to welcome you to the Advanced Interaction of Hazardous Materials. This course is an examination of how emergency incidents, such as an overturned tanker truck or an overturned rail car, are impacted by the additional hazard of hazardous materials. During the course, we'll examine basic organic and inorganic chemistry, which is understandable by emergency responders. Now, to comprehend the principles outlined in this course, you just need a basic understanding of chemistry, so not to worry. You don't need a real detailed and advanced degree in chemistry to understand the principles. Okay. Now, let's discuss some of the administrative side of this course. The best method for contacting me right off the bat is via email. I will always answer those within 24 hours of you submitting those, so that's the best method. Okay. You can also contact me through Ask the Professor link, which is basically the same thing as the email. And if you have a quick question and want to talk to me, you can just call me at 217-413-8205. If it's during the week, Monday through Friday, I'm typically in a meeting somewhere, so if you will just leave a message, I'll call you back within a couple of hours. Okay. However, just like you, I probably lead a busy life. Well, I know I lead a busy life, but just like you, we lead busy lives, and therefore I need to schedule at least the day and the early hours of the evening time. So if we're going to have an extended conversation, I'd like for you to send me an email. Tell me the subject and that you'd like to schedule a telephone conversation, and I'll do so quickly. Okay. As you will see in the course announcements, assignments are due and expected to be on time. Okay. With that being said, we've already talked about all of us having busy lives. We're trying to juggle school, we're trying to juggle family commitments, and work commitments. So if you're going to be late on an assignment, I don't need some elaborate excuse. Just send me an email telling me that you're going to be late and what day you'll have the assignment on. Like I said, don't need an elaborate excuse. Okay. I would encourage you, however, not to get too far behind. Okay. Typically, students will say, "I need 3, 4, 5, or 1 week extension," and I'll have the assignment in by next Friday, so to speak. So. Just do that and we'll get along. But I want to be real clear is that I cannot extend you beyond the course deadline. Okay? So if you're going to be beyond the end of the course, you will need to get the administration's approval, and that's a formal process. Okay. Now, written communication is, in my opinion, is equally important as the technical part. Because if you can write, you can be the most accurate person in the world, and if you can't communicate that in writing to, say, executive management, it's all for naught. Okay? So during the assignments, there's going to be some course assignments, case studies, and these case studies, I ask that you submit them in the full APA format. And in order to help you with that, I will send to you via email during the first couple of days of the course. You'll have an APA format template. If you'll follow that template correctly, you should get a full credit for APA format. Okay? And finally, I want you to learn something from this course. I want this course to be beneficial to you. Okay? So if anything I can do to help you, please don't hesitate to call. And again, I want to thank you for choosing Columbia Southern University as your learning institution. And more importantly, I want to thank you for being a participant in this course. Thank you.